Yeah, so I've been thinking about solar for a little while now. Obviously, electricity bills are going up for everyone, so that was definitely a reason for getting it. But I really wanted to do my bit for the environment as well, so that was something that I've been concerned about and passionate about as well. I've already got a solar hot water system, but now I've got a solar electricity one as well. Well, I just sort of think that there's a lot of insecurity around the energy system in Australia at the moment, and obviously there's a pretty simple solution by everyone getting something on their house, so I thought I could do my bit and get that installed at my home. Well, I live alone and it's a fairly large house, so heating and cooling and those sorts of things in the house, it does get pretty expensive throughout the year, so hopefully this will be able to take some pressure off that. So the Ballarat climate is really variable. In summer it gets really, really hot, and in winter Ballarat gets very, very cold. It's pretty famous for that. So yeah, extremes on both ends of the year. There's a lot of energy being used through both summer and winter. So during summer it's pretty hot, so there's lots of fans and cooling going on in the house. And then during winter, obviously heating, it gets very, very cold here. So having the extremes in temperature both ways means that there's quite a lot of energy being used. And then obviously everything else that goes along with owning a house. So I've chosen a high quality, high value solar panel to put on the roof because I want to future-proof my home. I want to make sure that whatever I put on the house is going to last a long, long time. The panels that are going on today have a 25-year warranty, and that was something that was pretty appealing for me. I know that a lot of solar panels are starting to come off other roofs after only a couple of years of service, but with the quality of the brand and the reliability of it, it made me feel really secure about going with them. I think for anyone it's a no-brainer to install solar panels. I mean, it's good for the environment, it's good for our wallets. I don't understand why people wouldn't do it.